How to make money online without any investment. Today I'm going to show you 5 websites that allow you to do just that, and I'm going to show you right now. So the first website we're going to talk about today is respondent.io. So you can see it here, respondent.io. Get the highest quality research participants you need for any research study. So you can start for free. If you see it here, find any research participant anywhere in the world. So this is open to, you can see people here from America, France, Mexico, Indonesia, UK. How it works is you post a project, targets the audience you want to conduct research. You invite and schedule, you conduct your research, and you pay the research participants. That's where you're going to be sitting. You're going to be a research participant. So there's self-service, there's professional services, and respondent management systems. You can see who they're partnering with here, guys. Intercom, Oracle, Dropbox, IBM, Intuit, GoDaddy, Square, SendGrind, Airbnb, Microsoft. You can gain access to respondents anywhere in the world. So what you want to do is you want to go up. You can start for free. Just click that. Get paid for participating in research reviews or source. So you're a responder. Click that box, get started, fill out your details, and away you go from there. Basically, this pays quite lucratively, guys. What I mean by that is you can get like $30-40 for like a 20-minute survey, a 30-minute survey. Depends on where you are in the world with regards to how many surveys you can get or how many respondent missions you can get, basically. But if you can use this site with a couple of the other sites I'm going to show you in this video, you can definitely make some good money online straight away. So again, it won't be mind-blowing money. You won't be driving around in that Ferrari just yet, but if it gets you on your way, then if it helps one person, that's what I always say, if these videos help one person, then I'm happy. So check that out. It's respondent.io. It's definitely worth a look. The next site we're going to talk about is testingtime. Again, it's a kind of a similar site to respondent.io. We recruit test users. So you can see it if you head over to testingtime.com. You can see some of their customers again. They're dealing with Doodle and Deloitte and UBS, Trivago. So how it works is you book your test or your test user online. You conduct your test, and there is no third step. That's it. Simple as that. So again, you just click there to get started, fill out your details, and away you go. The service is test user recruiting services, starting from €50 per test per person. And full service testing starting from €2,500. So there you go. Starting 50 person per test. You can see all the good stuff here. Quality of research, 5 to 7 participants. For quick validations, you can also order a smaller group of 1 to 3. So this is testing time. You can see their prepaid packages. You see what people ask, but basically what you want to do is come up here to the home, click on become a test user, fill out your details, and you'll have to fill in a small little form, and away you go from there. So what's in it for you? You can earn money by testing digital products. You can help shape the future of products you use, and you can try something fun and different. So again, if you're using this in conjunction with the last website that we were talking about, there's a quick little narrative video on it there. Sign up with testingtime, accept a job, do the job, test, and get paid. It's as simple as that. So that's testingtime.com, another good little site for getting those side little income going. The next one we're going to talk about is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a huge site, guys. It's obviously part of the Amazon umbrella, and what you do here is you can just do various tasks. Now, they probably don't pay. Amazon Mechanical Turk probably doesn't pay as well as the previous 2 sites, but again, if you want to get a steady flow of gigs and income into your account, then you can use this in conjunction with the other stuff that we're showing you here. So you just go over to www.mturk.com. That's Amazon Mechanical Turk. And scroll down to the page, you can see how it works here. MTurk offers developers access to a diverse on-demand workforce through a flexible user interface or direct integration with a simple API. Organizations can harness the power of crowdsourcing via MTurk for a range of use cases such as microwork, human insight, and machine learning development. So if you go back up to the top here, you can see some of the features. A little bit slow here today, 1 second. You can get started quickly. Now you're going to be signing in as a requester. You can easily create multiple HITs and requests for UI, manage and qualify work. You can get started here with Amazon Mechanical Turk. Again, just go over to mturk.com, have a look around there. It's a very big site, and it's not as pretty probably as some of the other sites that we're going to show you here. But again, it's definitely worth a look. And when you're using it in conjunction with the other sites we're showing you, you can definitely keep that workflow going into you, keep those different streams of revenue coming into you. So here you can see the pricing, developer resources, customers, and go back to the overview here real quick. That's Amazon Mechanical Turk, guys. Check it out. I have other videos just on going more deep into Amazon Mechanical Turk. You can check them out. I'll leave them in the description below for you. You can check them out. But again, you're partnered with Amazon. What's not to like? The next site we're going to talk to is user testing. Again, this is a site that we've covered before. Your fastest path to a great customer experience. So you can request a trial. You're going to be clicking here, get paid to test. We see that these guys are in business with Walmart, Facebook, CBS. So again, it's another site that basically you use to test, basically to do research. So these big companies are always looking for feedback. So you can earn up to $60 per test. Visit a website or app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then you get paid. So you're basically making a video, kind of like this one, to be honest. You're making a video and you're talking to what you're seeing on the screen. If you're using an app or a website, you're describing how you're using it, how it feels to you, is it fluid, all those good stuff. So you get $10 via PayPal for every 20 minutes video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tests, and speak your thoughts aloud. So you can see some reviews here from the New York Times and the Huffington Post, Wall Street Journal, Lifehacker, and again, who these guys are dealing with as well on a large scale. So what you need to get started is you need a Mac or a PC, an Android phone or tablet if you like to take the mobile tests, or an iPhone obviously. Ability to download the testing software. You have to be 18 years of age, and the ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. User testing is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the side. It won't make you rich. The number of opportunities you receive will depend on a number of factors such as demographics and your quality rating. So again, it depends where you are really, and it depends on who you are, I suppose, to get the results you want on this. But again, what I keep saying to you in this video is if you're using this site in conjunction with the other sites, you will have a steady stream of jobs, of gigs, and then obviously of paydays, of income. So this is definitely one of the better ones, guys. Usertesting.com. Check it out. The last site we want to talk to today, guys, is Fiverr. This is my own Fiverr account, actually one of them. You can see here that this is in euros. This is for the month so far. So obviously I sell gigs on Fiverr as well, so I'm going to show you how to do it here as well. If you're any good at anything, you can see that you've anything at all that you can offer here, you can be done. So graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, which we've covered on previous videos as well. Video and animation, again we've covered it on previous videos. Music and audio, programming and tech, business, fun and lifestyle. So let's just go into digital marketing here, because that's kind of what our website is all about here. You can offer any of these. So social media marketing, again we've covered quite a bit of that on this channel, so you can utilize what you're learning on this channel, guys. Feel free to check out the other videos that we have, just say like on Twitter marketing or something like that, and then offer your services on Fiverr from what you've learned on the other videos. It's as simple as that. So again, if you're helping somebody out, I'm happy with this. So you can see that some of the more popular gigs, the trick with Fiverr is to get those 5-star ratings to get your gigs in front of people. So you can see this person here is, I'll be your social media expert. She's starting at 154 euros. She's a 5-star rating with 72 reviews. So you can see that the gigs aren't just for a Fiverr. The Fiverr is the entry point. That's a common misconception with this site. So you can grow your following. So what I'm saying to you, you can use what you're learning on this channel. Go and check out some of the playlists that we have. You can become you can learn enough to get you by, to get your gigs moving, and once you get your gigs going, just optimize them, get those reviews, and always over deliver if you can to get a better review. So you can see there's loads of people here offering stuff. Your plan will be to get as high as you can up to the top of the leaderboard here, and to see who. And by doing that, by getting good reviews, you'll do that. I will be your social media manager and personal what, I don't know, but there you go. 307 reviews, 5 stars, not too shabby. So again guys, that's Fiverr. So if you check out Fiverr, user testing, Amazon Mechanical Turk, testing time, I forgot the last one, and respondent. There's 5 sites guys. If you're using all those sites together, it won't take you long to register for all of them. You'll have the gigs coming into you pretty straightforward. You can do this all from the comfort of your own home. So if you found this video helpful guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll leave a couple of videos up in the corners here for you. I think you'll enjoy them. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.